Okay, here we go with continuing with the my remaining box kit. This one is, I believe, the pizza van. Yeah, kit 06150. 249 pieces. This kit was bought for me by a friend here at the facility that I am at, which I'm very much appreciative. Or it may have been bought by a gift card I received for my birthday from my stepmom. I'm not sure which one did it or not, but anyways, so here's what I do. I build everything on this table that I have. I need this grabber because frequently I drop things on the floor or without reach. I need a magnifying glass to see detail. I have this flashlight which uses two rechargeable 18650 cells, which I have currently 8 of, so I can probably go for a couple days solid of power by this thing. Of course, remote control for my Vizio TV, and that's my Amazon Fire Stick remote. I assemble most things pieces at a time in an empty Lego box. This one was from the van and camper kit 60117. So, without further ado, let's tear open. Sorry about the shakiness. Let's tear open this kit. Kind of hard to do with one arm. And we have one instruction book, stickers, 2 bags, another instruction book, and that's it. Again, it's 249 pieces divided up into 2 bags with 2 instruction books and 1 sticker. So, as that'll be it for this video, and I'll open a bag and get started on the next video. Thanks for joining me. Later.